Home Remedies presents
Diseases begin in your gut. Why die when you have this herb? Sage is a herb. The leaf is used to make medicine. It has a long history of medicinal use for ailments ranging from mental disorders to gastrointestinal discomfort. It is used for digestive problems, including loss of appetite, gas, flatulence, stomach pain, gastritis, diarrhea, bloating, and heartburn. It is also used for reducing overproduction of perspiration and saliva, and for depression, memory loss, and Alzheimer's disease. Women use sage for painful menstrual periods, to correct excessive milk flow during nursing, and to reduce hot flashes during menopause. Sage is applied directly to the skin for cold sores, gum disease, gingivitis, sore mouth, throat or tongue, and swollen, painful nasal passages. Its regular consumption stimulates appetite and aids in smooth functioning of the digestive system. Sage has been used for treating intestinal cramps, flatulence, and indigestion. Let's now see a simple recipe to take benefits of the herb. Ingredients: dried sage 1 tablespoon. If you are using fresh leaves, then add 2 tablespoons. Water 1 cup. Procedure: add 1 tablespoon of dried sage in 1 cup of boiling water. If using fresh sage, take 2 tablespoons and thoroughly wash them and chop and pour 1 cup of boiling water over it per serving. Steep the tea for 30 minutes or to taste. The long brewing time allows the hot water to extract more flavor from the sage. Now strain the tea. Dosage: drink sage tea twice daily for a month.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.